See, it's wet right here. Soaking wet right here. The crawl space is completely dry except for this one section under the kitchen. And there's a puddle of water right here on the plastic. And then up there you can see that the boards are dripping non-stop water all over the place. The closer you get to the dripping water, the subfloor is just completely soaked. And the dishwasher is running right now, so you can see that some of the water is sudsy, which I am just imagining to be the water from the dishwasher or from the drain of the kitchen sink, since I just used some soapy water in the kitchen sink. So one of the two or both of those things is leaking. Okay, I was in the crawl space about 24 hours ago, and I've had this small dehumidifier and these two fans running, and I turned off the dishwasher for close to 24 hours now, and things have dried up quite a bit. There's still a few little puddles of water, but there's no consistent dripping water. The underside of the floor is still a little bit visibly wet everywhere, but it's not like drenched and dripping like it was yesterday. So hopefully, maybe a few more days of the fans running on the sub side of the floors will finish drying these out. I'm gonna run some tests today. It's definitely still more wet the closer you get, but it's not dripping. Still pretty wet directly underneath everything, but like I said, the dripping has stopped. So I'm gonna actually get Will to turn on the kitchen sink and run it down the drain and see if it starts dripping again, to see if it could be the sink drain versus the dishwasher. Alright, I had Will running first the cold water for about 5 to 7 minutes, and now the hot water for several minutes directly down the kitchen sink drain, and I have not seen any dripping action, which confirms that it is almost certainly the dishwasher, not anything else on the kitchen sink. See, no dripping after close to 15 minutes of water running in the kitchen sink.